Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Trucozie Home Air Purifier for homes up to 2,000 square feet. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So I'll do my best to kind of show you contents as they come out of the box. You'll have your instruction manual, quick start settings, and then of course the actual air purifier. So, sorry, trying to keep this open. So it comes pretty well packaged. As you can tell, it does have a bag. We'll remove real quick. All right, so I'm gonna just remove the plastic. It says remove the plastic packaging from the filter on both sides before use. So just make sure that you do that, obviously. And then we're going to also kind of just walk you through some of the buttons. So we'll have a lock, a pet reset, a lock, a timer, your fan, night mode, automatic, and power. So real simple and obvious there. On the underside of this, you'll see your power cable comes latched in, so you'll need to cut that out. So once that's cut out, you just simply remove this, and it will plug in right at the bottom there. So once you do get this unhooked, you'll plug it in DC power, or AC power, I'm sorry, and then you'll just have a little convenient kind of fit for that. Trying not to show the QR code that's on the other side of this. So it should rest steady. You'll have little rubber nubs at the bottom to kind of allow it to rest steadily on the ground without making any noise. And so we'll go ahead and pop this open here. Let me go to this side so that we can do this without showing the QR code. So this will pop open right by the power side, and your filter will look, close this back up, filter will look something like this. And so obviously we just need to remove the packaging, as mentioned on this side. They make it far more complicated than it needs to be. I'm not sure why. A simple wrap would be fine. And what we always want to do is keep these towards the outside. So we'll go ahead and lay this back down. Put it back in. And then we'll click it back into place. Now on the other side, also have the same thing. So again, making sure that when it is unwrapped, that we have those vented properly with the tabs. I just think it would be easier if it just actually didn't tear, it just popped off. So again, we're just going to go ahead and slap that into place. Make sure our stuff is aligned. Click it at the top, and we should be good. So I'm going to now get to a much broader view. I apologize that I've been kind of on top of it, but I did want to show you kind of the buttons and the installation. It does have handles on the side for easy transport, so we're going to go ahead and plug this in and show you how it works. All right, so my plan is to kind of put this in a corner, but I want to show it a little bit better first, so I will eventually be using this extension cord. But as soon as you plug it in, as you'll kind of see, and let me come down a little bit, we'll turn the power on, and it will start in automatic mode, which will kind of determine which one of your fans are on or what level. And so again, knowing that you're green kind of tells me my air quality is good, moderate, and bad all here. And then again, it'll walk you through this stuff. Your pet, I'm sorry, I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer here so we can get in, maybe even more so. Again, we'll have the pet and reset. You're just gonna hold that down for that. Child lock, and again, you can set your timer anywhere from 1 to 12 hours. You can have your fan speed. If I don't want to be an automatic, I just click on that, and that'll change my speeds. I can go into night light mode or night mode where it's going to turn off the front light, which is great. And then, of course, I have my automatic and everything like that. So this thing is really cool. Let me back it out a little bit. Size-wise, it's pretty good. As you can see, the hand, it's small, compact, but covers a lot of square footage, which is awesome. So to me, totally worth buying. Hopefully this kind of review helps you with your decision-making process, and thanks for watching.